Changing the battery in a remote head key. Let's do it. Look for the groove right there. Insert a butter knife or a tool to expose your battery. Use that same knife or tool, pop out your battery. Notice which way your battery is supposed to go. There's your positive side. The positive side will go down. Push that in there. Now snap everything back together. Make sure it seals up. Snap it together. And you are good to go. Thank you for stopping by.